Oh, hot damn. What's everyone saying? It's your boy, someone was back again. I'm here today in Croatia, just outside Trogir near Split, and we're doing summer sail week.
Let's get lined up.
You don't look too pleased.
Happy.
Happy. Got the guys on the hall. Shout out, boss man. Boom.
Morning, Sam.
Morning, everyone. Oh, what a brilliant day it is. Oh my gosh.
How was your shower, Sam?
Oh, it was absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. Stella. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Mimosas, mimosas. Hi everyone. Woo-hoo. Oh gosh.
Look out, here she comes. Woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never.
There we go. Hey,
Yeah, I can't tell.
yes. Shout out Yellow Sailing. Come on. Bow, 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 bow. Boop. You want a boop? Boop. You want a boop?
Huh?
Boop. You want a boop? Boop. Who wants a boop? Who wants a boop? You want a boop? You want a boop? You want a boop? You want a boop?
Yeah? What is it? What?
You want a boop? Boop.
Boop.
That's a boop. You know what a boop? You know what a boop? Boop, boop.
Hi, we are starting.
Is that what you're saying?
No, that's really cute. We fully appreciate the wait time, but also 2 hours food. 2 hours food.
They forgot about us, man. They forgot about us.
I'm hungry.
Listen when she talks. I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. But she will never know that I love her so much. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah. Never know, nah. She will never know.
Dolphin. Dolphin, got it.
Stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. And she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na na, never know, na na. She will never know, na na, never know, na na. She will never know, na na, never know, na na. She will never know, na na, never know, na na. She'll never know.
Yeah, I think so.
Smile for the vlog. Pan. Smile. Smile for the vloggy. Smile for the vlog. Smile for the vlog. For the vlog. Say hi. Hello, hi. He's been in it too many times.
Laugh at Callum.
That's my skipper right there, fam. Come on.
Skip on summer sail week.
Ooh, that's a bit mad. Alabama Slammer. Led by Chocolate. Wet Pussy. Pinky Colada. Swimming pool. Rolling Hello.
It's so good. So good.
What'd you get?
Pasta.
Pasta.
It's like garlic chili pasta.
Stuffed crust. Fish, pizza, fishy pizza. It's all scenes. It's mad. Support your local community. Support your local places. Don't go to McDonald's. Don't go to KFC. Go to where are we? Fucking Fiaca. So what's the chat, my peeps?
Essentially, the wind has gone fuck up, and there's rain and lightning. And
People don't like
there's a big metal pole there, and if lightning hits it, bad things happen.
I'm actually go outside and show the rain. Yeah, it's not looking good. Look at this. It is grim. Pain. It's been raining all night. So, poker then.
Can you swim in this sea?
Or
In,
the
like-
surface is worse at least.
The short answer is no. Swimming in a thunderstorm is not safe.
So our plan, what we were going to do, a rogue plan, was get a bus from here, the bus stop was there, to somewhere, I don't know, random on this island. Like, we literally just missed the bus to Supertar. That would been like half an hour away. We were there a few days ago, it was nice. But then the next bus there is in like 2 hours. And we were like, could go to Bol. But yeah, we wouldn't have enough time, so I think we're just chilling, gonna explore this lovely place of Milna, James, and see what we can find, because if we're here the whole day, my gosh. And boom, let's see. Puppy loves to, these dogs and cats love to avoid us, man. What are you doing? My boss.
Staring someone down. Look.
Yeah, when I said it.
Look at this rain, man. It's actually mad.
They've been infrequent competitors. Hey! No pap.
No. What? Get up, man.